going to be baking a cake. So first, you need a kind of cake. But we're not doing that. So yeah. And you need 1 cup of water, vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. So we already did that. But then you have to take a
You didn't do the eggs yet, right?
And then you shake this up.
That's the chef's brother.
And then you shake this up and then put it on the sides and the bottom of the pan. And then you take 3 eggs, but with the eggs you have to make sure they're not cracked or damaged. So this one and this one. And that's all of it. This one. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take our whisk. Don't judge me, it's really small. And we're gonna mix it up. Mix it up. And now you're gonna put in your eggs. What you do is take the egg and you go, and you take 2 hands, make sure no shells get in. And you put the egg in. Then you put it back. Boom. And then you keep doing that. But first, what you first do out of everything, you wash your hands before you start cooking.
Yeah, never forget that.
And then you put them back.
We run a clean kitchen here.
And then we take our whisk that is almost destroyed and we mix it up. So we keep mixing. Yeah. And eventually you'll probably need a spoon, but I'm going with the whisk first.
Yeah. And the faster you can do it, the better, because so it's like a mixer, you know.
So you get the
Vigorously,
sides.
It says to stir it vigorously, which she is doing very well.
So you have to roll up your sleeves
You
too.
would think that she's been doing this for years.
And then you mix till it's all nice and blended, and you don't see any whites, you just see the color. And if there's some on the sides, that's okay. Just try to get as much as you need mixed. Most of the time, sometimes eat it even if you want to make sure you can look under it to see, because look, all of this powder right here,
It's not
bottom,
mixed yet.
is not mixed.
Okay.
So we're going to take it at the bottom and then keep mixing at the bottom. I'm going to keep checking.
That's the good thing about a see-through thing.
Okay, none of this is mixed. Ew. But we're going to have to wash this later. But, so, I got that, so I'm going to check one more time. Just need to work on the edges a little bit.
I get a lot of likes. Smell it a little.
Okay.
It's a vanilla cake.
So, that looks delish.
Delish.
Okay, so now that we got this
These look
done,
like strawberry shortcake. They really do.
I'm
Strawberry
gonna go wash my
shortcake's a
hands
big
real quick. Don't waste paper towels. Save trees.
That's right.
Oh my god. And we'll be back again. Okay, got the whisk clean. Now, you clean it off, close your hands. Perfect. keep mixing.